This is the SToK Espresso Shot. These are great. We saw them one time when we were traveling. Each one of them has the equivalent of a shot of espresso, slightly less than a cup of coffee, 40 mg of caffeine. Handy little packet. I like to shake them a little bit because if they're sitting for a period of time, you want to get all that goodness. Take the top off. It's got a nice little pour spout to keep it from dripping all over the counter. Throw it in the coffee cup. Throw the coffee cup up in the Keurig. There you go. SToK Coffee Additive Espresso Shot. Amazing.